Alright guys, I'm doing a review of this M&M Meats chicken nuggets. I love their chicken strips, and yeah, I wanted to try the nuggets because it might be the same or better. So here's the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. There you go, and there's the nutrient panel. Of course, it does contain wheat flour, things like that, so be aware of that. Let's open this up. Okay, so the reason why I like their chicken their chicken strips was they actually had real meat in there, like real chicken breasts and stuff. So this one looks, let's see what it looks like. I'm gonna cook it up in the air fryer, and I'll be right back, guys. Okay, so here's the chicken nugget. Let's do a quick taste test. Work it up. Cool. So the nuggets got good flavor though, but the breading, as you can see, there's a thin layer of breading. The piece of meat is not chicken breast; it's like more pressed meat. So, but it is white meat if you look at it. Not bad. But I prefer the chicken strips. All right, guys, stay tuned for more videos.